AWS Data Transfer Terminal offers physical locations across the globe where your team can upload data to AWS quickly and securely. It's our way of bringing high-speed connectivity to you. Any member of your team with AWS account access can make a reservation at the Data Transfer Terminal closest to your field team. Both parties will receive a confirmation for the booking. And just like that, your team member is booked for their local upload session. There are a few pieces of hardware you'll need to bring inside to facilitate your transfer, including a device with compute and a 100 gigabit Ethernet NIC port, a compatible LR4 optical transceiver, and of course, your data. Security staff will check your government-issued photo ID, check your reservation details, and escort you to your reserved upload suite. Each suite comes equipped with at least two 100 gigabit fiber optic cables to enable high-throughput upload to AWS. Simply plug the fiber optic into the optical transceiver. Then plug the transceiver into a NIC port on your device with compute and storage. This can be something like a network-attached storage device. Or if you're using a laptop, you can utilize a PCIe enclosure with a NIC and optical transceiver to connect your device. The connection is DHCP enabled and assigns an IP address to your device. It is also DNS enabled and can easily upload to your AWS endpoints, such as Amazon S3 buckets, allowing you to quickly establish your connection. You can use any process you choose to upload your data to your AWS endpoints. We recommend using the AWS command line interface for performance and ease of use. As your upload progresses, you can utilize the suite to get some work done, or you can even leave and return later. Once your upload is complete, don't forget your belongings on the way out. Thanks to those high-speed uploads, your data processing jobs can now kick off in the AWS cloud. See you at the next upload.